are you guys doing? Hey Marie, what are you guys doing? Snow angels? You gotta move your legs, Marie. Jared, did you just make a face down one? Did the snow get in your coat?
Okay, let's go.
You... Was it fun to sled? Is it time for hot chocolate?
Yes.
Hot chocolate!
Hot chocolate.
Marie, was that fun?
Yeah. We're gonna go have hot chocolate.
One more snow angel.
Okay, I'm gonna do some.
Marie, Jared, that's not, you gotta do it on your back. Okay. Marie, that's enough. Let's get our sled. Come on. Say bye.